Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. How your girl, Debbie from down a yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. And welcome today to fricasse liver with onion rings and gravy. Okay, y'all? That's what we're doing. We're doing fricasse liver with onion rings and gravy. So, first and foremost, we were preheating our oil ahead of time, but it has gotten a bit warm, so we turned it off, okay? So, what we're going to need right about now, we have our liver here, all cleaned, washed. You're going to need to get your liver slicing thin and kind of broadish, looking like this. So you need your liver to be looking, and you take off that strip. And if you want me to do a video on cleaning the liver, then I can do it, but you want your liver looking something like this, okay y'all? So first and foremost, we're going to proceed to season up our liver, and we're going to coat it in some flour. So we have some pre-seasoned flour there with just a little black pepper and some salt, and to this we're going to add a teaspoon of baking powder, and that is to help with the tenderizing of the liver. Now we have some Maggi all-purpose. We are going to put on a teaspoon, no more. We are going to sprinkle on some black pepper, yes, and we have 3 pegs of garlic, and we are going to grate only 1. If you're a person that has used a lot of powder seasoning, you can proceed to use your garlic powder and maybe your onion powder and what have you, your seasoning of choice. I'm going to put on some salt, probably like half a teaspoon to the amount of liver that I'm using. I'm using like about 1.25 pounds of liver, y'all. So it's quite reasonable. It's just easy, common sense. If you're using more liver, you'd use a little more salt, a little more everything to get it to what you want it, okay? So that will do the job. So we have salt, we have all-purpose black pepper and garlic. So now we're going to incorporate. Let us get back our heat up, and I hope you're all in. We're going to get our heat up. We're going to proceed to do a little kind of deep fat frying. So we're going to incorporate our baking powder into our flour mixture, because I told you it has already been seasoned with a little salt and black pepper. I don't want to season my flour with any more seasoning than what I have. So we're going to rub up. You don't need to marinate this, fam. You don't need to marinate this. This is not, I'll show you. I told you all, when you're to marinate, I'll show you what you're supposed to marinate, okay? So we're just going to do one thing here. Now that it's, the slices are thin, and all of that, so the seasoning goes right through. And we're good. Now we're going to use our hands, okay? And we're going to start coating our liver with the flour mixture, flour and the baking powder. So you're going to shake the excess off. Your oil must be as hot as that. You put in a couple pieces at a time. All of them might not be the same size and all of that, but because sometimes depends on the cut of the liver that you get. But you try to do it as reasonable as you can. And you want it in your oil like that, and you're going to start frying off, okay? Be careful, y'all. Get it in something rather shallow. You don't want, if it's a lot of liver, then probably you can use a deep up thing. But this is just a small amount, so we're using just a small frying pan to have the oil almost over it, okay? It doesn't take long. It doesn't. So we can put another piece or 2. You don't want to crowd your pot too much. And I eat, y'all. Forget to say that. And I eat. So what we're going to do, we're going to get it frying, and we're going to fry it on both sides. We're going to fry, and as soon as one side is properly browned, I'll show you. We're going to turn to the other side. And And soon, let's go get our hands washed because we'll be having a lot of washing. So make sure you have your hand soap or whatever you use to wash your hands inside your kitchen. Now, we need a fork. Not a tall fork here per se. And you're going to leave a plate or a platter, something flat, next to the burner with the liver frying on. You're going to leave this plate right here, and as soon as each batch is fried up, you're going to leave it onto the platter on top of the stove next to the burner to keep it warm. Okay, y'all? So as soon as you start frying, you prepare your platter. Now I think we're putting the first piece right here, so we're going to turn to see what it looks like. I thought it was this piece. Yes? And you see they're all coming. So we're going to brown them from side to side. But you all be careful. I eat because it doesn't take long. The longest procedure is just to get them fried off in batches. Okay, y'all? So what we're going to do, we're going to fry them off. And when we are finished frying them off, we're going to lay them on our platter, leave them to keep warm at top near to the burner. So when we come back, you'll see them all fried off. And then we're going to proceed to make our gravy. Our gravy with onion rings. And we're going to show you how we treat it. And the name of this dish is fricasse liver. Okay, y'all?